Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit a TikTok video in Capcut 2025. So if you want your TikTok videos to pop in 2025, this step-by-step Capcut tutorial has everything you need to create scroll-stopping content, no experience needed. So in this whole guide, you'll learn how to import and trim your clips, how you can add viral transitions and trendy effects, sing audio like a pro, and how you can export in high quality ready for TikTok. So let's start by importing the clips into CapCut. You can just start on new projects in here and find your videos. Tap on done if you're not selecting the videos that you want to edit. Now select the videos again and you can adjust the position. Click on add at the bottom. Okay, so now in here you can trim your clips if needed. So to trim your clips, you can just click on the clip first and then you can choose to trim the end of the beginning. You can just drag it like this, but if you want, you can also use the split options. Just go to where you want the split, click on the split button, and here click on the part that you don't need and tap on delete. Now you can just add transitions in between clips and also add effects. Here to add transition, you can just click on this white box in between the clips. So that's where the transition menu is. And you can just choose the trending transition for your videos. Let's say I want to use this comic cut. You can click on the transition and here you can choose preview the result of the transition first, so it will go like that. And if you want it applied to all the clip, you can just click on the transition box again and make sure that you click on this option, apply to all. Now if you want to add effects, you can just click on effects. Here you can choose video effects and choose a trending one. Let's say I want to add the zoom lens at the beginning. Click on the effects and it will go like this. Click on the check icon if you're not selecting the effects. And if you want to sing audios, you can just tap on the audio first. So you can choose the audio that you want first. In here, let's say I want this one. Click on a plus icon. Here I'm going to just split first, and to sing audio, you can just mark the audio first. Click on the audio, click on beats, and here auto generate the audio. Here you can choose the intensity. I'm going to just go with the middle one. You click on a check icon and now you can just crop your clip aligned with this yellow dot, just like this. Crop like this, and then you can add transition to match the beats. And if you want to export in high quality, you can just click on this option first at the top to change the resolution and frame rate. So I suggest you use the same resolution with your original video because it will align and it will make your video look better. I'm going to just go with 1080p and here frame rate 30, and you can just tap on export. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.